bit of information. You might have noticed I'm experimenting with the YouTube Premiere feature. Let me explain why. I'm a broadcast filmmaker. Sometimes I have so many good stories I can make, edit, research, maybe a couple a day, and it's just too many to put out on a daily basis. So if I've got any that I've pre-made, I'll schedule them for a future date so you can see them in the YouTube Premiere. I don't really like it, but at least you can know what to expect. Two coming up are just really exciting for me. The story on my humble opinion of the relationship between Boeing and Rolls-Royce, where I describe the problems that they both have with a single word, which you'll discover when you watch it, and hopefully make interesting comments, and a much anticipated video on synthetic aperture radar. It's a bit conspiratorial. My wife doesn't really like it, but it's based on research and real facts. Don't tell her. I like it. Let me know what you think. And an enormous shout out to 3 of my Patreons. Starting to get some patrons. It really helps feed the goat and us. I make films. YouTube really isn't an income, but I enjoy making the films, but any Patreon support really helps. So a shout out to, looking at my notes, Ben Coates, Chris Sartain, and Christopher Hudson. Thank you very much, you guys. So let me just explain a bit about the Patreon things I give you if you help me. You guys have brilliant ideas for films, and I am a humble filmmaker. Camera, edit suite, I can make them. You become a Patreon, you get to talk to me directly, private emails are exchanged, good ideas are exchanged, and if I like it and I think you've got an idea that's suitable for this channel, we will make it together. And I will give you a producer credit or research or whatever you want at the end of the film, which you can genuinely add to your CV. My background is I'm really Adam Savage. No. I'm not really Adam Savage. Plus I'm not Adam Savage. Plus I'm not Adam Savage's dad. Adam and I are actually pretty well the same age. I've just taken more drugs. No, cut. No, but seriously, not much seriousness about this. If you would like to make a film, contact me. My life has been fulfilled making broadcast TV programs for PBS Nova, BBC, National Geographic, Discovery Channel. Worked on a lot. I'm a film editor and now I direct. Love it. So become a patron, start a discourse with me, and we can possibly make a film together, you know, starting at $1 a month. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and remember, because of you, the truth is out there.